How to put multiple pictures on Instagram story. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can put multiple pictures on Instagram story, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to put or add multiple pictures to your Instagram story, go and open the Instagram app. There are two ways on how you can do this. First of all, you can open up your story tab, go to this camera section, and here you'll find an option called layout. Now, you can choose any of the layouts that you like depending on whether you need to add 4 pictures or 2 pictures. If you like either of these, you can just go ahead and select a particular image. They're going to get added over here. Sorry, a photo over here. You want to add a second image, you can go ahead and select that here as well. You want to carry a third image, you can go ahead and then use that as well. Now the problem with this type of layouts is that you can't customize the custom images because they're going to get grouped. Now another way I can also show you is using a random position, right? So you want to add wherever you want to create a collage or something like that. Just tap the plus icon again. Choose any picture over here, it doesn't really matter, just choose any random picture, because first of all we're going to convert this picture into a background. So first decide on which background color you will use for the pictures. In that case, now tap the three dots option from the top right and look for the option called draw. Once you go to draw, from the bottom you'll see different colors, so just select the color that you would like to set as a background color. In this case, let's say I select yellow. Once I select the yellow color, long press on any part of the screen here and this option will get successfully converted to yellow color. And now we have set our background, we'll just hit the save icon from top. Now that we added the background, how do we add pictures to it? Because as you can see, we already selected a picture that we converted to a background. Now don't worry, for this also all you have to do is tap the sticker icon from the very top of the screen here. Once you tap the sticker icon here, you should be able to look for this plus filter here. So now you can tap the plus filter, and then you can just go ahead and then choose any of the other images that you like. So let's say one of the images, you can pinch in, pinch out, just change the position, you can drag it to wherever you want. You want to add more, just tap on the music icon, the sticker icon here, tap the plus icon and choose any of the other pictures you like. Now the good thing about this is that if you tap on it, you can also change the shape to different things. You can see different types of shape I can change the picture to. Depending on what I like, I can tap on it and add other pictures as well. These were the ways on how you can put multiple pictures on Instagram story. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.